The EU clearly, and Angela Merkel running point on it, was very keen to try to get this agreement done before Biden takes office in 3 weeks from yesterday. So the time is moving quickly. The U.S. is not happy. I don't think the Biden administration is very happy about it. Certainly the outgoing Trump administration is not as well. I don't think the timing is coincidental. As you may be seeing, the outgoing Trump administration has actually put market issues on China, several a week for market restriction issues for the last, couple of weeks, and we'll see that continue until they leave office. I think the Trump administration on the way out the door is trying to do a lot to put things in place that's going to constrain the Biden administration on issues like trade. So that wasn't that big of a surprise to see, especially with the timing. I think that the real issue is what is the Biden administration going to do now with the EU-China agreement if indeed it gets ratified.
Yeah, what do you think it's going to do?
Well, I think it's not happy about it. I mean, clearly it's an optical win for China in a big way, right? Especially coming on the heels of the RCEP agreement. So for China, as we heard, it gives market access to Europe, especially in areas like energy and manufacturing, renewables. That's big. Europe is saying it's getting a lot more out of the deal, although we don't really see that exactly. There's a lot of talk about the labor rights and the environmental standards that have to be in the agreement, but that's not, there's no deadlines for China to put that in. So what is the Biden administration going to do? I think they're going to really jump quickly to try to align closely with the EU on other issues as it relates to China and try to have this be just one element of the broader relationship between all three, as opposed to kind of a key element. But I think the thing that's key for businesses, this is not a panacea. If you look at Australia and China, they have a free trade agreement that didn't stop Australia putting sanctions on China and the retaliation they're in. So look for, if the EU puts more sanctions on China, there will be retaliation, notwithstanding this agreement.